What is an unlawful detainer action in landlord eviction laws? Imagine trying to get back into your own property but finding out someone else refuses to leave. That's where an unlawful detainer action comes into play. It is a legal process landlords use to regain possession of a rental property when tenants stay without permission. This process is focused solely on who has the right to possess the property, not on disputes over money or damages. When a tenant stays after their lease ends, or if they stop paying rent, the landlord can start this process. First, the landlord must serve the tenant with a proper written notice. This notice usually gives the tenant a few days, often 3, to pay rent or leave the property. If the tenant does not comply within that time, the landlord can file a complaint in court. The court then reviews the case and decides if the landlord has the right to take back the property. If the court rules in favor of the landlord, it issues an eviction order called a writ of possession. This order allows law enforcement officers to remove the tenant if they refuse to leave voluntarily. An unlawful detainer action can be based on reasons beyond unpaid rent. It can include lease violations, property damage, illegal activities on the property, or if the tenant stays after the lease has expired. It is a quick process designed to protect landlords' rights while respecting tenant protections under the law. Landlords must follow strict rules when handling these cases. They need to serve notices correctly, respect tenants' rights, and follow court procedures. If they do not, the case can be delayed or dismissed. Proper legal steps are essential to avoid problems and ensure the process moves smoothly. This legal tool helps landlords regain control of their rental units in a fair and lawful way. It balances the property owner's rights with the tenant's protections. Often, landlords seek legal advice to make sure they handle everything correctly, saving time and reducing costs. In essence, an unlawful detainer action is the formal way for landlords to reclaim their property when tenants refuse to leave after proper notices. It's part of the legal and financial framework that keeps rental properties functioning smoothly and fairly for everyone involved.